Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling exact property identifiers and your ID because accuracy saves time. Once done, open the official land records or municipal portal. Make sure you are on the correct state or district site. Log in or use guest search if available and enter the primary identifier, plot number, survey number, or owner name. Next, pick the matched record from the results list and click the option to start a search report request so you can proceed to the detailed steps. Now you move into the detailed request stage. Choose the exact report type, ownership history, encumbrance, or certified copy because each contains different legal details. Then carefully fill the online form, matching every field to your gathered documents. Mismatches cause rejections. Once the form is complete, review charges and pay using your preferred method. Keep the transaction ID and confirmation. After payment, the portal will generate a processing reference, note it, and wait for the system to compile the search report. Finally, download the generated search report PDF and inspect core fields, owner name, survey numbers, mutation entries, and the official stamp, because these validate authenticity. Save one copy to cloud storage and another locally. Print a certified copy if your transaction requires physical submission. If you encounter errors or blank PDFs, first clear browser cache and cookies, then retry in a different browser. If problems persist, contact portal support with your transaction ID and screen.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.